What is the prefrontal cortex, and why is it often called the control center of the human brain? The prefrontal cortex is the frontmost part of the frontal lobes, located just behind your forehead. Although it makes up only a portion of the brain, it plays a crucial role in what makes us human: thinking ahead, making decisions, controlling impulses, and shaping our personality. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for executive functions. These are high-level mental skills that allow you to plan, focus attention, remember instructions, and juggle multiple tasks successfully. When you decide to save money instead of spending it, resist saying something inappropriate, or think about the long-term consequences of your actions, your prefrontal cortex is hard at work. One of its most important roles is decision-making. The prefrontal cortex helps you evaluate different options, predict possible outcomes, and choose the most appropriate action. It constantly communicates with other brain regions, especially those involved in emotions, such as the amygdala. This connection allows it to regulate emotional responses, preventing impulses and emotions from completely taking over rational thinking. Another key function of the prefrontal cortex is self-control. It helps suppress unwanted behaviors and supports goal-directed actions. This is why damage to this area can lead to impulsivity, poor judgment, and difficulties with social behavior. Famous historical cases, such as Phineas Gage, showed how injury to the prefrontal cortex could dramatically change a person's personality and behavior. The prefrontal cortex is also deeply involved in working memory, which is the ability to hold and manipulate information in your mind for short periods. This allows you to follow conversations, solve problems, and make complex decisions in real time. Without a well-functioning prefrontal cortex, everyday tasks would become overwhelming. Interestingly, the prefrontal cortex is one of the last brain regions to fully develop. In humans, it continues maturing into the mid-20s. This helps explain why teenagers often struggle with impulse control and risk assessment, as their prefrontal cortex is still developing. In simple terms, the prefrontal cortex is what helps you think before you act. It enables reasoning, planning, moral judgment, and social understanding. By coordinating thoughts, emotions, and actions, it allows humans to navigate complex social worlds and make decisions that shape their future.